I'm working on this, and then I'm gonna throw like this in. And okay, so we got this going, but I'm gonna put this to the side. Oh, see, I love that. And this works. And then I'll turn it over. And then...
Have you got a purple that can go in?
This is? Doesn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
And then for this, and this is what I want to do every week. One of these a week. So to find out if this would work in the background, then you just lay it all the way across. Yep. So I think this would make a super, super video every week. I really do. And then if I wanted to be, I could show them how that, even though that and that goes, it won't work. And I mean, I love, look at all this. To think that, like for a border, sashing border, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This has got some purple in it. That brightens it up a little bit. Now if I put this in it, no, that's a terrible idea. That goes to purple, but it's just not right. It doesn't have enough yellow to go with that. So how much cheddar do I have here? What do I got here? Just it just doesn't work, does it? Okay, now so
you know that book is $135 now.
And this is only volume 1. I don't have volume 2. But it goes from 1800 to 16. But if you look, they use some pretty bright colors. And so, and the reproductions are pretty true as far as color. And then look at the browns, the blacks. And this is pre-18. So I could pull something out like that. And it's very, very similar in design and color. I mean, look at these shapes. There's another one.
The light's giving a lot of glare.
Okay.
There we go.
And see, look at the shapes. Look at that leaf and that leaf. And oh, don't you love that? Oh, geez, that's cool. And then you have this, which is water-stained silk, which is very similar to this type of pattern. And then the check.
Well, like this one right here.
Yeah.
And that one right there. Those are Garibaldi. And this one.
And that one's Garibaldi. And a lot of this is shirting, which we have. And so I just thought, I mean, these are just... So then we go to the, oh, look at, see? I mean, they're all just, they've really done a super job.
They have.
Reproducing these prints, like that little teeny one you had, that little Garibaldi, look. With the little tiny flowers. And, okay, here.
That's a shirting.
This is like the shirting.
Right.
Which is, let's see if we got more shirting over here.
Oh yeah, there
which
it
we
is.
do. So they used that, the gray goods, The real fine lines. Here's more shirting.
That's a Garibaldi, actually. That's from the collection.
Yeah. They used a lot of stripes. They used a lot of dots. And now that's intriguing.
That is very intriguing.
And that one, I know I have something similar to that. But even this has some really interesting shapes to it that you just, it's not common and you don't see it, but it all blends. Look how this kind of all, I mean, they all start to work together. Oh, with the red and then the vine and the red.
My friend Karen says you always have to have a little piece of red or a little piece of yellow in a quilt.
Really? See, I kind of tend to agree. Well, I don't think this will work, but it might blend.
It's too pink. It's too orange.
Too orange. Yeah. So that comes out. And that changes the whole thing. Now. Oh.
That would work.
Yeah, it would, because it picks up that with that.
And the flowers. And the red ones.
And the pattern's different, even though it's busy. It's still got the swoop to it, so it repeats here, here, and here, which that shape blends.
Okay.
All right.
All right.